Tomiwa, and I'm back with another banger. If you're new here, my name is Oliver Tomiwa, and I do videos on everything about sewing. So if that looks like something you're interested in, click the subscribe button and join the family. I'll be glad to have you. Showing you how I achieved my OB bills and also show you how you can make yours. So let's go to the cutting table.
So I have my necessary supplies, my tape rule, my scissors, and I have my already cut Ankara fabric in 6 inches by 23 inches, but that's 11 and a half on fold. And I have two of that particular piece, which I have also ironed my interfacing to it to make it quite stable. Then I also have my Ankara fabric strips, which I have not added any interfacing to, and that's 3 inches by 45 inches. Now I'm just going to get the center point on the height of the fabric, and that's 3 inches. From the 3 inches, I'm going to be marking 1.25 inches upward and downwards. Then I'm going to be measuring from the fold on. I'm going to be measuring like 6 inches, then connect it to my already marked points to create a curve. You can either use a curved ruler or a straight ruler, anyone. Just make sure to give it a nice curvy look for the belts. And then I just go straight out to cut it out and remove the excesses. Then I can see how my belt is already given a form. What next I'm going to do now is to place it on the other fabric, similar fabric, and also make out the same shape on that. Then I'll go ahead to my sewing machine and stitch that down just by a little inch. Now you can see I'm on my sewing machine and I'm joining by half an inch on both sides of my original fabric. So this is what the ironed look looks like, the finished look looks like, and I already took in half an inch, and I'm just going to be placing my belt right inside that created space and make a double stitch on that line.
So this is what my dress looks like before I tie it with Olipet. You can see it's detachable, and this is the outcome of what we just finished making. So I'm going to be tying it around my waist. It doesn't have a collar. This is on your waist, and your waist. You can actually raise it up like this. I think everything because I have kind of body is down there, so everything is down here. Make it something like this. And just then basically tighten it. You can see I'm trying to tighten it and just tie it. You can actually hold it and secure enough space before you can use your bow design. Secure enough. Then you can make your bow design. Check out how you want it. So I really like my bow. So this is what it looks like. Isn't it lovely?